Playing friends here again, David Brasco. It's 5th of February 2022, and in this video I'm going to show you now some very fantastic trades based on trend following indicators. Very simple to follow the rules, and if you keep disciplined and follow the rules, you may have the success I have already. The last 3 months have been one of my best trading months ever, and I have created also some new systems, and now we're beginning with the first system here. Already on this one is recommended highly by another channel, by Traders Landing. If you go here to Traders Landing channel and look for this video, 138%, and that's about Vuman Chu swing free trading by Giselle. So after getting this on December of last year, I immediately had the feeling it's something I will like, and I was right with my intuition. Therefore, I took some contacts with Traders Landing, asked about the parameters, watched some videos, and I highly recommend to watch these videos of Traders Landing channel too. Before we go, if you like, you can subscribe my channel for more new videos, because the goal of this community is to help each other to make more money altogether. So we begin here. For this strategy, you just need a few tools, not too much. The first one is, if you go on indicators or metrics of trading view, what is here, you can see it here on indicators, and click on that. Then you type VUM for Wu, and then you come here down to Vuman Chu swing free by Giselle, and if you click on Giselle, then you automatically come also on his page. Then click here on scripts, this one, and he has this moment currently only 2 scripts, 2 trading scripts. The other one, range filter label, is also highly recommended. I make another video how to trade that well. Well, you see here it's about Vuman Chu swing free trading. He's also explaining here how while it's working, and is based on range filter of Donovan Ball. So back to this system, I have already changed some parameters. So we see here, we are here currently on February the 5th, right? So as you can see, I have already a short position in Australian dollar versus US dollar, and currently with $3,370 in profit. So what we need is very good explained in the video of Traders Landing, but I have modified already some other parameters because he's using default. So to use this very good tool, if we change some parameters, we can use it 2 ways. The first way is how we can trade, for example, only the legs, right? The legs are the moves, right? This one, for example, this one in direction of the trend, right? This one, and remember, we are on a daily chart frame, so for some of you maybe that's a lot of too much. But if you have a mini account, or we're working with some brokers where you can adjust your own margins, margin requirements, and also traded pips, then you can use this strategy very well on daily basis. The second strategy we can use with Vuman Chu is taking the full potential of the trend, right? If we say the trend is already moving in that way and it is not still close, because possibly the trend will go also in this direction. So why to limit ourselves and to take this profit and the market goes on and not to take that profit too? So that way we need also to change these parameters somewhere too. I begin first with the legs. So as you can see, we change the swing period to 1470, the swing multiplier to 1.9 or 1.8. It's up to you. Sometimes I use also 2 or 2.1, 2.2, and it's giving also some good result. But this what is worked best for me. The trend, the rules are very simple. Each time we have a signal, right? Let's say here a sell signal, we immediately take the signal, right? Let's say we are not in the market. The market is this bar here. We go here short. Then the last high is here, and if I go back, the last high plus 1. So that way, this is my stop loss, right? Not this high, but this high. Here is my stop. Okay, I let the market do the rest for me. And as you can see, the market falls. From the beginning, I need to define my strategy. I am trending the leg, right? Only the leg. So this is the first one. The second one is I take every signal, right? Let's say here I take the leg, I took sell signal, this is number 1. I am short, the market runs down, I buy, I close the sell or the short position, and I go long again. Where is my last stop? So this is the current or deepest point of the market, all right? So, and if I go back here, so that means at this level, okay, I go long based on this signal, and I wait until I have the next sell signal. My stop should be placed here. All right, so, and that way, this is the first strategy. And as you can see, I have already sold now Australian dollar, all right, and my stop is somewhere here. It was a little bit too high for me, so I placed it between the last swing. So let's take it here, okay, between here, this point, and this point. This point was too high for me. It was then a risk of 5%. I didn't like it, but at this point exactly I am at minus 1.5% my account size, meaning if the market hits back suddenly and I leave the market with a loss, I lose only 1.5% of my account, what is tolerable to me. So the other one is I have put already my first profit target here. If I see that the market is running much more better than I expected in favor of me, of course, then I will then change my profit target, right? On the same time, my stop loss will be the same until I have then a new signal. What I already got here, because this signal came in before the market closed, so I was not able to take this position out. So the first thing on Monday, what I do, or Sunday evening, is if the Japanese or the Asian markets open from the beginning, I take out this position with plus out of the market. So then the next market I've traded also with this one is, we see here, I see here, this is my best trade of this year currently with $10,000 now. So the market is sell already, right? Because see here, this is the current signal, all right? So then if you remember my Japanese US dollar against Japanese yen video, right? At shopping market, but look at here. We had all the time a fantastic trend of the Japanese yen, right? Beginning at 108, 109, currently the market has doubled its value and we are at 115. My first target, as I told you already, is at 121. I adjusted now. So in this market, I have used my trend strategy, meaning I bought the US dollar against the Japanese yen each time, one after each other. I sized up my position each time I have the buy signal, right? So I ignored all the sell signals, and my current position now at this level, because on Monday I have sized up 3 times higher, so I am already with $6,000 in profit again. I am waiting now. If we see here, right, we have tested already this level, this area, right? And if the market will come down massively, I will sell half of the positions but stay in the market. The trend is over after the market falls below 200 moving EMA. On the same time, I see here that already my daily EMA 200 is up, my 4-hour is up, my 2 days EMA 200 is up, and also my 3 days. So the market is healthy trend over all these areas. So everything is talking, or better confirming, that the market is running best now in this direction. If you have missed my video, then you click here, David Bresco. So very nice. All right, click here then, and takes some minutes here. All right, then if you are here, you can watch these videos here, US dollar versus Japanese yen, right? Click again here as a funding currency over the once, and it is about where I told you already where the Japanese yen is going. So you guys see here again, and also profit targets. So it takes a little bit. So it doesn't matter. Use this trading strategy. So another trade example I have here too is US dollar versus Canadian dollar. I mean probably two again. It seems a little bit choppy here, but you need to see the big picture. So, and we see here the market is giving me a lot of signals. For some of you there are much, but if you remember, we are on daily chart frame. So it means each time I take this movement, I am moving between 124 to 127, 128. It's about 300 to 400 pips each time, right? So it's very high movement here. Looks very little, right? And I want now to translate it to a smaller chart frame. Okay, we see here. Okay, and now if I go back to, well, let's say 4 hours. So we see here, right? If I go back to 2 hours chart frame, then I have another picture, but I don't look at the lower chart frame. I just take the signal on the bigger one and go in the market. And we see here especially after this breakout, I am long still here, right? This is my position. I am long here, right? So, but the market gave me already here the first signal on daily basis. So guess what? I am now at 126, about 100. I'm over, around 90 to 100 pips in plus, and from here I would have now $40,000. That's a good profit limit, right? So have a good day, girls. All right, watch my videos, share them, subscribe this channel, and if you have questions, then put your comments below. Have a good day, and thank you.